Good morning, everyone. This is Sakshi Mogarkar from BE Computer Engineering. My roll number is 4232 and my project name is Facial Expression Recognition. So, let's get started about the introduction first. So, it's about the emoji recognition has been around since ages. But emotion recognition is the process of recognizing the sentiments on a human face based on their facial expressions. This process is very common when it comes to non-verbal but communication among the humans. But in humans, the ability to recognize these emotions nowadays, computers are being trained to do the same. So, to get it better day by day, so we are using this technology. A technology, namely neural network detection, emotion through deep learning. By the virtue of the facial emotion recognition systems, the authorities can utilize the software to further investigate the efforts concerning someone at some point in an interview or interrogation. Time is important factor and there are many algorithms that have their own positives when it comes to emoji recognition. So these points such as the K nearest neighbor like KNN and CNN, convolutional neural network. A data set is required to train the model. There are certain things that need to be kept in mind while creating the mode, such as the model should have a good accuracy. It should be able to detect the probabilities of all the emotions so as to give the best possible results. Moreover, the complete system should be fast and real time with a less response time. The model should be free from any flaws whatsoever so that the correct and accurate emotion is recognized. Also, the model should be cost effective and more user friendly so that it can be used by anyone in the market and it attracts more people. This is all about the introduction, and now the algorithm I have used in this program is like a Haar cascade algorithm. So what is it? Haar cascade algorithm is nothing but an object that belongs to machine learning detection program, which is used for the identification of the objects in an image and or a video. So the Haar algorithm is explained in the following four stages. Like the first is the calculation of the Haar features. Let's get started about the Haar features are like is the calculation of the pixels intensities in an image. The calculation is summing up the pixel intensities like brighter or darker and calculating the differences between the sums. It would be difficult to determine these features for a larger image, so therefore we use the integral images like the edge features, line features, or the rectangle features or something. We calculate the difference between the sum of all the image pixels lying in the comparatively darker area of the Haar feature and the sum of all the image pixels lying in the brighter area of the Haar, so that the close value to 1 and Haar feature should be found. So now the second is the creating integral images. So in this we used to perform the calculation of these Haar features at a faster pace, so that faster we get the response of the project we have made. Instead of calculating at every pixel, it instead creates a sub rectangles and creates array references for each of those sub rectangles. These are then used for the computation of the Haar features. We have seen the Haar features before. However, these are the hundreds of thousands of those features, but how do we determine the best one that represents an object? So now it is a time for the AdaBoost to come into the feature. The AdaBoost will tell us about the integral images and creating integral images in a little detail. So using AdaBoost filters and choose only the best features best suited to the image and trains the classifier to use them. It uses a combination of the weak classifiers to create a strong classifier that the algorithm can use to detect objects. This can be approximately more than 160,000 plus feature values within a 24 into 24 window which need to be calculated, so therefore only the most relevant features will be useful to help identify a face. Now implementing cascade classifiers, the cascade classifier comprises of a series of n number of stages. The job of each stage is to make sure whether a given sub window is definitely a face or definitely not a face. A given sub window is discarded immediately if it is definitely not a face. This algorithm requires a large number of positive images of faces and also negative images of non-faces for training the classifier. So the main feature we are using in the cascading classifier is called as the convolutional neural network like CNN. A CNN or a convolutional neural network is a type of artificial neural network which is used in image recognition. It is specifically designed to process some data or the image pixels. CNN is a deep neural network originally designed for the analysis of images. When using CNN for emotion recognition, the aim is to categorize each of the facial emotions into one of the 7 facial emotions categorized, that is anger, happiness, sadness, disgust, fear, surprised, or neutral. So next is about the test cases we have used in the project are like happy, neutral, disgust, angry, surprised, scared and sad. So this is the expected value, expected the percentage we get while we make the faces, and this is the actual accuracy of the images we are getting, and all the test cases are passed in the project, and the average accuracy is 80%. This is the architectural design we have provided here. So the first, accept the face from live camera. It will accept our face from the live camera. It will detect the face and all the face data. After getting, it will do the feature extraction, and then facial features it will get, and then try to detect the emotions and classify them, and then emoji recognition actually we will get on the window. These are the test cases I have passed while making the product. Actually, the neutral face, happy face, sad face, disgust face, anger, scared and surprised. So that's it about the presentation. Thank you guys about the presentation. Now I want to give you the live presentation of my project. Yeah. Okay. The neutral face, angry face, happy face, the scared or the surprises are getting, but it's not getting actually still. And yeah, here are the probabilities we are getting actually. Yeah, we are surprised. Yeah, the more is the neutral and angry we are getting, but we can see the probabilities like here. We can getting the scared face, happy face and sad face. So yeah, that's it. This is all about my project. Thank you guys.